Hello and welcome. Today I'm doing a quick unboxing of the Sony Inzone H3. They actually report that there is no plastic inside this packaging, so I'm excited to check that out. So without further ado, let's get into this guy. So it looks like it comes with an application that you can plug it into your PC or directly into the PlayStation as it has a dongle, and then you can download the Inzone app, which probably allows you to have some other settings. So there is the headset itself with some nice kind of almost like tissue paper, like really high quality Kleenex. Got some cardboard around both of the earbuds. We'll take a closer look at this in a second. And then that's all of the packaging. This is just paper, limited warranty, gaming headset, and stickers, along with a USB-A to 3.5 millimeter cable adapter. Stiff plastic, very stiff plastic, non-braided. Going over the full specifications real quick, it weighs 299 grams. It is a closed dynamic headphone type with 40 millimeter neodymium headset with a frequency response of 10 Hz to 20,000 Hz, along with 360 spatial sound for gaming, full down to talk, boom microphone, voice focused, which is what you're hearing right now. Very, very thin but malleable cable. Again, 4-pole. 3.5 millimeter, and then of course the 4-pole 3.5 can go into this, which then makes it a USB device. Looking at these guys a little bit closer, you've got absolutely nothing on the right ear cup. On the left ear cup also have nothing, but these things swivel pretty hardcore, as you can see. There's a good little bend there, pretty good twisting. Don't really feel anything. Joints feel good, nice and easy, but they're really stiff enough that they don't really move a whole lot. On the top here, you've got some like vents, which I'll zoom in on a second. And on the left ear cup, you have your microphone that is flipped to mute. It does act, and then you've got your volume control right there. So let's put this guy on. Clamping force is very light. It's one of those that it doesn't really have very much clamping force. Ear pads are nice. They're one of those that they definitely very squishy. I do notice an overall decrease in the sound that I can hear, so there appear to be closed back headset. Let's test the microphone. I do hear a click in my left ear, so right there it clicks right there. So there is a flip to mute microphone. It already pretty much puts the microphone in the ideal spot, and it's semi-malleable. Overall, I would say they're comfy. The top has just a little bit of padding, but definitely feel comfortable on first impression of putting them on. And then also feel like they're pretty well put together. I don't really have any complaints about the build quality. It doesn't feel superb, but it feels fine. Nothing to write home about. If I'm being honest, I also don't find these to be the most attractive headset. That's a pretty nice... It's got little dedicated notches as well, so can't complain about that. On both sides, really nice and smooth. So overall, it's easy to adjust because you just put it on your head and then you pull it down to your ears, and that's light enough that it can easily just lock into place. It's one of those that the general room noise goes away. It seems comfortable. I like the microphone position, and it's easy to flip to mute. Volume wheel is all right. It's one of those that it does lock at the topmost position, and the bottommost position is really smooth, and there's no wobble. Feels relatively solid. So anyways, it's definitely a solid first impressions. I'm really excited to try out the sound though, but you'll have to wait for the actual review for me to discuss that further. I also really like that they did go completely green in their packaging, where there was absolutely no plastic other than the stickers. When it comes in for setup for the PlayStation, you simply just plug that straight into the bottom of your controller. You can also use the adapter if you so please, which is also simple. You just plug it in via USB and then you plug that in. If I could do this with one hand, which is harder than it looks, like that, And then it comes up on the computer as Inzone. Okay, so here I am on the computer. If I go into my settings and then I go into sound, you can see right here, Inzone H3, which is the microphone I'm actually using right now. If I plug into this, you can see 16-bit, 48,000 hertz, and you can test it for all the other things. Nothing special there. And then, of course, you can do Windows Sonic or Windows Atmos if you have it. Moving into the actual software, I just did Sony Inzone Hub. Click that. Let's download. And we're back. So let's open Inzone Hub and check it out. Yes, I agree to everything, signing away my soul, but not really. All right, so you've got sound settings, flat, EQ, bass boost, music / video, custom, with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 EQ thing. Default microphone volume, auto gain control. I don't know if I like that. Hello, how are we doing? Oh, that's actually pretty nice. There's almost no delay here. I apologize if you heard me twice. Spatial sound on, setting, sign in and acquire your hearing. Your hearing will capture, use a smartphone app to create your, wait. What? If I say yes, sign in with a Sony account. I'm signed in. I have a hearing profile already. Then dynamic range control, adjusts between the maximum and minimum volume. I want high. And there you go. So software is super basic, but there you go. Options. Let's not do that. Okay. So now the only thing left is to actually test it out, but you'll have to wait for my review. So make sure to hit that subscribe button to check that guy out. If you liked this video, leave a like. If you disliked, leave a dislike. And of course, if you've been following my content for a while, please do subscribe. I will see you and your beautiful face on the next one. God bless and peace out.